Central leaders assured support to Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand for IDPs, economy and POLO project in Manipur, underlining central backings for the state's development, rehabilitation efforts and cultural promotion. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, accompanied by Deputy Chief Ministers Losi Dikho and Nimcha Kipgint, met Union Agriculture and Rural Development Minister Sivraj Singh Chauhan in New Delhi yesterday. During the meeting, Union Minister Sivraj Singh Chauhan approved the construction of 5,000 new houses for internally displaced persons affected by violence in Manipur and the PMAYG for financial year 2025-26. The ministry also allowed continuation of aid for beneficiaries whose earlier PMAYG houses were destroyed and approved registration through the Awas Plus 2024 Survey Act. Earlier in the day, the Chief Ministers along with Deputy Chief Ministers also meet Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman at her office, wherein the Finance Minister assured them of all the possible support to revive Manipur's economy and financial health, including assistance of the rehabilitation of IDPs. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand also requested enhanced financial aid to achieve inclusive growth in a separate meeting with Union Donor Minister Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. The Chief Minister was informed that the ministry will fund a polo project in Manipur, recognizing the state as the birthplace of the sport. Minister Scindia also assured support in coordinating with other central ministers for Manipur and wider northeastern region.